can see the screen. Well, we have the concluding session, determinants. Word problems. Word problem means you have to read a text and from there you have to make equations and then you are asked to solve using matrix method. Let us read the passage. A shopkeeper has three varieties of pen, A, B and C. Meenu purchased one pen of each type for a total of rupees 21. You have to grasp the sentence very clearly because we have to form equations. One pen of each type for a total of rupees 21. Chirag purchased 4 pens of type A, 3 pens of type B, and 2 pens of type C for rupees 60. If you are with the pen and pencil, you can form equations and write it. You can answer me last. While Sahil purchased 6 pens of type A, 2 pens of type B, and 3 pens of type C at rupees 70. Using matrix method, find the cost of each variety of pens. Find the cost of each variety of pens. So we assign some variables. We assign some variables X, Y, Z for the cost of one pen of type A, type B, and type C. And from this, we form equations. So we will be starting let the cost of each variety of pen A, B, and C be rupees X, rupees Y, and rupees Z respectively. We need the first equation. One pen of each type for a total of rupees 21. What equation will represent this? One pen of each type. The cost of one pen of type A and one pen of type B and one pen of type C. One pen each, rupees 21. That means we have X plus Y plus Z equal 21. That is our first equation. Now for the second equation, you read the sentence, 4 pens of type A and 3 pens of type B and 2 pens of type C. What is the cost? It is 60. So what is the equation? 4x plus 3y plus 2z, 3z. Type B, I made the writing error here. 4x plus, don't worry, be correct. 4x plus, can you notice? 4x plus 3 pens of type B, 3y and 2z. 4x plus 3y plus 2z. 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 16, not 2y. Okay, what is the third one? 6 pens of type A, 2 pens of type B, 3 pens of type C. That means 6x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 6x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 70. 6x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 70. So we have the three equations and you have to solve using matrix method. How will you solve using matrix method? We will rewrite in the matrix format. I am just reminding once again, I can go fast. We have the form Ax equal to B, where A is matrix 1, 1, 1, 4, 3, 2, 6, 2, 3. I wrote directly the determinant of the matrix. Determinant of the matrix is evaluated as 1 into 9 minus 4 minus 1 into 12 minus 12 plus 1 into 8 minus 18, and finally calculated to be minus 5 not equal to 0. Determinant is not equal to 0 means what is the immediate conclusion or immediate inference? Determinant is not equal to 0, so unique solution exists. What is that solution? X equal to A inverse B, where A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A, where determinant of A is minus 5 we have. And now how to find adjoint? For finding the adjoint, we find the cofactors of each element in row wise. A11, 6 minus 3 is 9 minus 4, 5. A12, right? You can easily calculate. A13, A21, A22, A23. Further, A31, factor of 31th element, right? Plus minus plus 2 minus 3, so minus 1. A32 and A33. We have the cofactors of each row. Now, how to find the adjoint? Either we write the cofactor matrix and take transpose, or we directly write whatever we found row wise, we write in column wise. Right? 5, 0, minus 10, first column, minus 1, minus 3, 4, second column, minus 1, 2, minus 1, third column. Right? Now, having got adjoint, what is now A inverse? A inverse will be 1 by determinant A to adjoint of A. We keep 1 by determinant A, 1 by minus 5 outside. We'll take inside at the last. So we got an A inverse. Now what is X? X equal to A inverse B. A inverse B. B we had earlier, 21, 60, 70. Multiply, that is minus 1 by 5 into 5 into 21, minus 1 into 60, minus 1 into 70. And that is calculated to be equal to minus 1 by 5 into minus 25, minus 40, minus 1. That minus 25, minus 1 by 5 taken inside, it becomes 5, 8, and 8. From there, we are going to read the values of x, y, z. X, y, z equal to 5, 8, 8. That means x equal to 5, y equal to 8, z equal to 8. Or the cost of variety pen A, right, is rupees 5. The cost of variety pen B is rupees 8. And cost of variety pen C is also rupees 8. So we obtained the solution using matrix method. First of all, we read the passage, we form the equations. Even in objective type questions, you can at least be asked what are the kind of equations, what are the equations which we obtain from the passage possibility. Let us take one more word problems. Read very carefully. Two schools A and B want to award their selected students on the values of sincerity, truthfulness, and helpfulness. What are the qualities? Sincerity, truthfulness, helpfulness. The school A is name of one school. There are two schools, A and B. School A want to award rupees X, rupees Y, and rupees Z for each of these respective values. That means X rupees for sincerity, Y rupees for truthfulness, Z rupees for helpfulness. How much is that? Is unknown. To three students, 3, 2, and 1 students respectively means 3 students are to be given award for sincerity, that is X rupees each. 2 students are to be awarded for truthfulness, that is Y rupees each, and 1 student to be awarded Z rupees each for helpfulness. Whereas, and the total amount is coming to be rupees 1600, 1600. Whereas school B want to spend rupees 2300 for 4 students for sincerity is X each, 1 student for truthfulness is Y each, and 3 students for helpfulness rupees Z each. And by giving the same award money, X, Y, Z itself, right? There were three values asked before, okay? The total amount of one prize on each value is rupees 900. Using matrices, find the award money for each of these values. Apart from these 3 values, suggest one more value. It is actually a value-based question. That part you can even ignore. which should be considered for award, because value-based ones, I think, is deleted nowadays. Well, find the award money for each value. Suppose take it as X, Y, and Z. What will be the first form? Total amount of one price on each value. Total amount for one price on each value is 900. That means if I take X, Y, Z, you can form the equation X plus Y plus Z is rupees 900 and rupees 2,300 for 4, 1 and 3 students for this award, and rupees 1600 for 3, 2 and 1 students. Right? So we form the equations like this. X, Y, Z be the award amount set for sincerity, truthfulness and helpfulness respectively. Total amount of one prize each. That means we have the equation X plus Y plus Z equal to 900. And what is next? 3, 2 and 1 students, rupees 1600. That means 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 1600. Second equation. And the third equation is 4x plus y plus 3z. 4x plus y plus 3z. And that is going to be equal to 4x plus y plus 3z is equal to 2300. Well, further solution I leave to you. You can solve using matrix method. We write this as Ax equal to B, where A is the matrix. Find its determinant. Has to be non-zero because we need solution here. We cannot leave it without solution. When determinant A is not equal to 0, we are going to have unique solutions. X equal to A inverse B, where A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is the transpose of cofactor matrix. By now, let us go for another question. Ishan want to donate a rectangular plot of land for a school in a village. He want to donate a rectangular plot of land for a school in a village. Well, when he was asked to give the dimension of the plot, dimensions of the plot, he told that if its length is decreased by 50 meters, he did not tell the length and breadth, but if the length is decreased by 50 meters and the breadth is increased by 50 meters, area of the plot remains the same. Area of the plot remains the same. Okay? Whereas if the length is decreased by 10 meters, read the sentence very carefully. Length is decreased by 10 meters and breadth is decreased by 20 meters. The area is reduced by 5,300 square meters. 5,300 square meters. Using matrix methods, find the dimensions of the plot. Using matrix method, find the dimensions of the plot. Let's find dimensions. Let us start with, let the dimensions of the plot be x and y. It's a rectangular plot. So let the dimensions be x and y. Now from here, length is decreased by 50 meters, breadth is increased by 50 meters, the area of the plot remains same, and further, the length is decreased by 10 meters and breadth is decreased by 20 meters, area is reduced by 5,300 square meters. So how will you start with? Let x and y be the length and the breadth of the plot. So what will be the area? It is a rectangular plot, the area will be xy. Further, what is the first sentence? Length is decreased by 50 meters and the breadth is increased by 50 meters. The area of the plot remains same. So that means area of the plot is xy. If x is reduced by 50 and y is increased by 50, area is again xy. X minus 50. Length is now x minus 50 and the breadth is now y plus 50. Again, that is as good as xy. If we simplify this, opening the bracket, xy minus 50, y plus 50, x equal to xy, or xy plus 50x minus 55 minus 50y minus 50 into 50, 2500. You will xy cancels. You can even cancel 50 both sides, divide with 50. You get x minus y equal to 50. You have the first equation, x minus y equal to 50. And what is the second? The length is decreased by 10 meters. Length is decreased by 10 meters and breadth is decreased by 20 meters. Both are decreasing. Then what happens? The area is reduced by 5,300 square meters. 5,300 square meters. That means x is reduced by 10 meters, y is reduced by 20 meters. That means x minus 10 into y minus 20 from original area xy is the original area, it is reduced by 5,300 square meters. So what we get is here, xy minus 20x minus 10y plus 200 equal to xy minus 5,300. xy goes, well, this 200 taken to the other side and divided both sides with minus 10, you are getting 2x. So 20x plus 10y equal to 5,500 or 2x plus y equal to 550. 2x plus y equal to 550. So you have two equations, only two unknowns. What are they? X minus y equal to 50, x plus 2x plus y equal to 550. Of course, if it is to simply solve, add the equations, you are getting 3x equal to 600 and x equal to 200, but you are asked to solve by matrix method. We can rewrite this equation as ax equal to b, where a and b are matrices. X is the column of variables xy. You can solve using matrix method. All this what I am leaving as homework, you have to do it. Let me pick up one more. The cost of 4 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is rupees 265. Whereas 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice is rupees 310. And that of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is rupees 245. Find the cost of each item by matrix method. Can some of you speak me the equations which you obtain? Onion price, let it be x, wheat price be y, and rice price be z. What will be the first equation? What will be the first equation? First equation will be from here. Please, one of you, please speak.
4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 265.
Correct. 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 265. And the second equation, 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 310. And the third equation, 6x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 245. So the solution I leave to you as a homework. I wanted to discuss something about now further procedure. Please don't go away. And let me take that in also. Well,